Now at 11, there's a new delivery service in town. It has nothing to do with food either. Door-to-door mechanics. There are about a dozen of them in Orlando selling service and convenience.
News 6 investigator Mike Holfeld scheduled an appointment and put a mechanic to the test.
What's the reaction you get from your customers?
Customers love it.
Keith Sterling is a door-to-door mechanic. Scheduled via website, under the hood, at your convenience.
Now you're delivering oil change.
I'll deliver the oil change. Anything you need, I'll deliver it.
His traveling repair assignments have taken him to homes and offices from Polk to Orange County.
We check your brakes, we check your tires.
The list of repairs covering everything short of a rebuilt transmission. All work, they say, guaranteed.
I've worked on every car from 68 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supremes all the way up to 2015-16 Porsche Cayennes.
He's part of a national network of independent specialists working in Orlando and across the U.S. Choose your city and pick a mechanic, each certified, vetted, and assigned by California-based YourMechanic.
We instant quote the job up front, so we tell you how much it's going to cost, and we stick to that price.
Founder and CEO Anthony Rodillo tells News 6 the service will evolve with autonomous cars and mobility fleets.
But even in all those scenarios, we still think the experience of the repair coming to the car versus the car having to go to a shop is the better way to do it.
We put Keith to the test on our producer's 1990 Mustang LX.
About a quart and a half low.
The scheduled job, an oil change. Job completed in roughly 30 minutes. The 50-point checkup found a few more items in need of repair.
You're gonna need a serpentine belt.
In a week's time, we do about 140 cars.
Russell Automotive's Steve Alfieri says that door-to-door convenience is countered by garage dynamics.
If you don't mind, bringing the vehicle to us, the job is a better job altogether when it's over with.
State-of-the-art equipment, oil disposal, skilled mechanics under one roof is his response to the convenience of companies like YourMechanic.
It's cleaner, it's more accurate, and the price is still probably going to be about the same.
The prices for an oil filter change for our 1990 Mustang are close. YourMechanic's price, $97.87. Russell's price, $73.91. A difference of $23.96.
The thing to remember is the bigger the service, the more you'll save. For an oil filter change, the mechanic has to charge you to come there, so it's going to cost a little bit more. Go to the website, choose the service, and then decide. Getting results, Mike Holfeld, News 6.
Always important to see the price before you pay for it. It's good that they do that.
But I love the convenience factor.
Right in your
of that.
driveway?
Yeah.
Yep, you know who's not changing the oil? I'm paying you, dude, whether it's in my driveway or at the garage.
You think I'm changing the oil?
I don't know, man. I just
Oh,
want
come on,
done.
you change oil sometimes.
Do you change your own oil?
On my motorcycle, not my car, so.
Yeah, if you're going to get it done right, you want
Yeah, I don't want to mess it up.
I don't want to do it.